Ear bashing, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, ear bashing. You may have heard it in conversations or come across it in books. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it correctly in a sentence. So let's dive in. The phrase, ear bashing, is a colloquial expression, primarily used in the UK. It refers to a situation where someone talks at length, usually in a forceful or critical manner, to the extent that the listener feels overwhelmed or bashed by the words. Imagine someone pouring out words like a waterfall of strong opinions right into your ear. Although the exact origins are unclear, ear bashing is believed to have been derived from the literal idea of being hit or bashed in the ear with so many words or so much noise that it becomes bothersome. It's as if the speaker's words are figuratively hitting you because of their volume or persistence. When using ear bashing in conversation, it's important to note that it's informal and best suited for casual dialogue or descriptive scenarios. Here are a few examples. I got a proper ear bashing from my boss today for being late. After listening to the politician's speech, I felt like I had received an ear bashing. Ear bashing is not used in formal contexts and should be avoided in professional or academic writing. It's also not a phrase you would want to use when speaking to someone you don't know well, as it can come across as quite informal and potentially impolite. And that wraps up our talk on ear bashing. We hope this has given you a clear understanding of this colorful phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about getting to know these fun expressions that make you sound like a native. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.